the top news headlines. CM calls for protection of wildlife. Curfew continues at several areas of Shillong. Women nabbed with huge cache of explosive materials. And NRC rejection slip in Assam from March 20. A very good afternoon. Welcome to Times of Manipur. You're watching the news today at 1 p.m. I'm ALBINA. Let's get the news rolling. Chief Minister of Manipur, Ningthombam Biren Singh, today launched the first official website and web portal of State Forest Department to monitor transportation of forest products, revenue collection, and wildlife-related crimes. The function was held at the Chief Minister's Secretariat. Chief Minister called on everyone to take a stand to save wildlife, which falls prey to hunting for food and other activities. Biren asserted that deforestation is one of the main reasons for ecological imbalances across the globe. He emphasized on the need to work towards saving wildlife and proper utilization of available natural resources. Speaking about the newly launched website manipurforest.gov.in, the Chief Minister said that the website will help in monitoring all forest-related activities. Biren also lauded the department for the launch of the first official website and web portal.
Yamna atangba species gumbasi pahada halaga mangan basi tohon bidaba zabi daba happy daba hoi tangai phadaba koi food ki damak to food variety ki damak to koi internationally acceptable legally acceptable koi laite banate adu gumbadu da sena biraga to the aina ya da busing di da bidra kana yo khat pa ai pame. I would like to appeal to the people of the state, whatever the grievances. Number one, we need to protect forests. We need to preserve forests. We need to protect and preserve the wild animals. We need to protect and preserve the, whatever available in the hill areas, mainly in the jungle areas.
With the situation continuing to be tense, the district administration of East Khasi Hills district in Meghalaya has extended curfew at several places across Shillong from 6 a.m. this morning. The areas where curfew continues to be imposed are Leoda or Bara Bazaar, Motfram, Police Bazaar and New Molong. Curfew will continue until further orders. Meanwhile, on the first day of the SLC examination yesterday, the overall attendance of candidates in Shillong City was 99.20%. All security arrangements have been made in different examination centers. The state government has arranged buses for students appearing the board examinations, according to media reports. A team of 18 Assam Rifles, including women personnel, arrested 2 women with a huge cache of explosive materials last evening during frisking and checking at the gate of 26th Sector Assam Rifle at Palel. According to reports, the arrested have been identified as 57 years old M. Pungmila of Palel Bazaar and Teresa Maring H. 42 of Tizama in Kohima. The Assam Rifles team seized 10 gelatin sticks, 30 pieces of electronic detonators, 2 safety fuses, 2 mobile phones, 3 ATM cards, a PAN card, 2 Aadhaar cards, 2 handbags and Rs 1,100 in cash from the 2 women. In follow-up action, a Kakching district police team rushed to the Palel Bazaar residence of Pungmila and recovered another 217 pieces of detonators, 20 gelatin sticks and 4 safety fuses. A case has been registered over the incident and investigations are underway. The NRC authorities of Assam is mulling to start issuing the rejection slip to over 19 lakh people, excluding from the final National Register of Citizens from March 20. According to media reports, the rejection slip will mention the reasons for exclusion from the NRC. At present, work related to scanning of speaking order is going on and around 12% job is left. This was informed by Parliamentary Affairs Minister Chandra Mohan Patowari while replying to a written query by Congress MLA Reki Budin Ahmed in the ongoing Assembly session. Patowari was replying on behalf of Chief Minister Sarbananda Sonowal, who also holds the implementation of Assam Accord portfolio. In a separate query by Congress MLA Abul Kalam Rasid Alam, the minister said a total of rupees 1,348.13 crore have been allotted for the NRC update work. The final NRC was published on August 31st last year by excluding 19,06,657 persons. A total of 3,11,21,004 names were included out of 3,30,27,661 applicants. Now we have a short commercial break. Stay tuned.
Marks Time Classes. Chahi khudingi leptana topper puthokliba CBSE gi amatangairaba coaching center. Well experienced teaching faculty. Akhanaba subject opt tawbagi khudong chaba piri. Batch amada 15 students agi hena logjade. Admission form thazare. Form pishin bagi aroiba matam February 10. Akupa marol gidamak lengsun biraksi Marks Time Classes. Wangkai mahubom lampak. Phone number 9436288300 natraga 7005268735.
Adongi angang na school da kari tauri, ozana kari takpiri, yumdagi amadi office tagi yamna laina, live class yengba yaraba status agi ahanba school and day care, tiny fit ki oina admission hauzare. Backless school, CCTV camera, safe and secure, healthy breakfast and lunch at school, highly qualified and caring staff, creative activities and educational games, interactive learning through music and movement. 50% less on admission fee for the first 20 students. Contact Tiny Feet, Malom Bazar, Tuliyaima.
Senior for Senior Care, Medline Home Health Care Service na ahal singidamak paikatchaba thaurang ama oina Senior for Senior Care haiba thaurang asigidamak ahangba form khara kaujari. Masida masagi sahi kuntra manga dagina yangkhai manga fawbagi manungda laiba class 10 pass tauraba thawai yawba nupa amadi nupi singna apply tawbiba yagani. On job training oina 3 months training tauraba matungda Medline Home Health Care Service ta thabak tawba yabagi khudong chabsu pijari. Masida saruk yabininba miui singna satliba tha asigi tara fawbagi manungda ahongai leirak near Jenims Hospital Porompata leiba Medline Head Office ta lakpiduna application form lobiba yagani amadi akupa marol gidamak tanabiu.
Admission open. The Knowledge Home Boarding Cum Coaching Center. Foundation course for class 9 and 10 will start from 18 April 2020 and foundation course for 11 and 12 will start from 15 April 2020. Course highlights: small batches, conceptual based knowledge, chapter wise test, individual attention, regular feedback and parents teachers session, free personal counseling. For details, please contact the Knowledge Home Boarding Cum Coaching Center, Hata New Chekon Road. Lions Gym Health and Fitness. Competition kayada mana kaya fanglakhraba well qualified trainers singi makhada hangdokchaba khutlai matik chana leiraba amadi nupa nupi punna sanaminaba yaraba gym ne. Admission fee rupees 500 only. Monthly fee rupees 500 only. 1 year rupees 4,500. 6 months rupees 2,400. 3 months rupees 1,300. February thagi oinadi admission fee logjaroi. Pollution free location oiraba amadi tha ahum khudingi free health checkup ki khudong chabsu pijari. Ngasimag lengsin biro Lions Gym Health and Fitness. Wakaithel Haino Khongnembi Pukri Mapal. Contact number 7005687478.
Welcome back. Manipur Governor Dr. Najma Heptullah met a delegation of the Apunba Imagi Machasing, Manipur in connection with alternative plans for opium at Raj Bhavan, Imphal yesterday. The team submitted a memorandum to Dr. Najma on recommendation on alternative plans for opium poppy. The recommendation comes up following a workshop which was held on 16th February 2020 at Vichy Courts Hall, Manipur University. A book written by Manipuri University Administrator Jarnail Singh titled With Four Prime Ministers, My PMO Journey was released today during a function held at the Sangay Hall of Hotel Imphal. Jarnail Singh's better half, Serafina Singh, released the book published by Konark Publishers. MLAs Loshi Dikho, Y. Suchandra Singh and senior journalist Pradeep Fanjaubam shared the dice during the book release function. Jarnail Singh told media that his book is all about his journey since he joined the Prime Minister office in 1996 till he was appointed as Chief Secretary of Manipur. The book throws a light on his role in PMO.
Best opportunity to work, and I gave my best shot there. And all the 8 years passed, it was only for a few months. And I am grateful that I got the posting in Prime Minister's office because of my work in Manipur, because of what I did here. That's why I got my posting. That's why I am launching the book today. And my book contains all the 8 years, what I did, what we could not do, how we did it, and how does the PMO office functions.
One person died following a road accident that took place last evening at Top Sifai under Wangoi police station. The fatal mishap occurred when an Activa scooter crashed at a stationary water tanker. The deceased has been identified as Thaudam Kunjakishore, age of 42 years, son of late Abung of Top Sifai, a police report said. Capping an oath-taking ceremony for the 5th batch of the Lyric Institute of Nursing was held today at Hall of the Institute at Sangay Pro. Director of RIAMEI, Professor Dr. Chongtham Arun Kumar, Additional Director of Department of Planning and Finance, Dr. Haubam Babichan, and other dignitaries attended the ceremony. Speaking at the function, Dr. Arun Kumar said that we must be proud that the demand for nurses from the state is increasing from both India and abroad. Dr. Arun Kumar asserted that despite advancement in the field of medical science, the place of nurses is irreplaceable. He also appealed to the nurses to work with dedication. Assam government had proposed the option of electronic payment of court fees, fines and stamp duty. Introducing the court fees 2020 in Assembly the previous day, Law Minister Siddhartha Bhattacharya said people pay fees and fines through impressed or adhesive stamps which are not readily available. According to reports, the Law Minister said this will limit a huge expenditure to the government for printing them, plus people will save valuable time to collect the impressed or adhesive stamps from the Treasury. A Noida school has been closed amid concerns that a Delhi resident who contracted coronavirus in Italy attended a birthday party last week in which his children as well as their schoolmates were present. UP medical authorities are on their way to school, which has reportedly cancelled exams that were scheduled from today. China reported 125 new coronavirus cases today, marking the lowest number of New Delhi infections in 6 weeks. There were also 31 more deaths, all in Hubei province, the epicenter of the outbreak, raising the nationwide toll to 2,943. Prime Minister Benjamin Netanyahu led today in a cliffhanger election in Israel, but was still short of a governing majority in a third national ballot in less than a year, exit polls showed. As per sources, on the basis of initial projections by Israel 3-man television channels, Netanyahu, head of the right-wing Likud party, claimed victory in yesterday's vote over his main challenger, former Armed Forces Chief Benny Gantz of the centrist Blue and White. Now we have the sports news. Football Association imposed a ban on former Liverpool and England striker Daniel Sturridge for breaching its betting rules. According to reports, the 30-year-old, who mutually terminated his contract with Turkey's Trabzonspor, was given a 6 weeks, 4 of them suspended, and fined £75,000. An independent appeal board increased his ban to 4 months and doubled his fine after it deemed the original penalty to be unduly lenient, report also added. Now we have the local newspaper headlines.
Banned KCP PWG Chairman lamjingbatomtv held in Delhi. Interlocutor's statement misleading, says NSC and IM. State to enforce implementation of lamjingbatomtv scheme. Proposal sent to MHRD to appoint regular vice chairman, says Musu president. Convicts won't be hanged today. The People's Chronicle. R.N. Ravi's remark irresponsible, misleading, says NSC and IM. Objection petition filed against plea. Educational officials made to pay back misutilized money. Kakching body pins hope on delimitation exercise. Manipur Mail. 2 more coronavirus cases reported, both stable. KCP leader arrested. Nirbhaya case. Execution deferred. Situation under control in Meghalaya. Night curfew reimposed. The Shanghai Express. NSC and IM sticks to Naga integration stand. Ravi's recent statement strongly rebuffed. Nirbhaya case. Convicts won't be hanged today, says Delhi judge. 2 new cases of COVID-19 detected at Delhi, Telangana. 2 killed in separate incidents. Massive protest erupt.
Before we wrap up, let's look at the top news headlines once again. First, the top news headlines. CM calls for protection of wildlife. Curfew continues at several areas of Shillong. Women nabbed with huge cache of explosive materials. And NRC rejection slip in Assam from March 20. And with that, it's a wrap for this afternoon news bulletin. Thank you for joining us. Good time ahead.